So, hi guys, we are cooking today. So, here's our pan. So, here's our butter. So, we are gonna put the butter here. Just 1 month of butter, of slice.
We're going to spread the butter.
So, we are going to spread the butter. So, that, and oopsies, and that. And mix it up.
Dito.
Look, guys, it's melting. Wow, it's melting. Now it's melt, guys. It's melt, guys. It's melt.
Hawakan yung pan. Tayo ka lang. Tayo. Oh, get the ano. Get one. What's that?
This is a
One
pie,
lang.
guys.
One.
So we are getting pie, guys.
No, that's bread.
So we are getting a bread.
What are we gonna do with the bread?
We are gonna make some good bread, so tasty. Some tasty bread. So wait for on it. So what we gonna do, guys? So anong gagawin natin? So
We're going to toast the bread.
To toast the bread, guys. We are going to toast them. So
And then we're going to put sugar.
We're going to put sugar.
Okay, go put sugar in here. Oh.
Okay.
Go put sugar.
Can I hold it?
Yes. Diba you wash your hands? Yes.
Okay.
Wait for
There's
it.
a black, mommy. Don't want blacks.
For that.
Yum. That's my favorite.
Put some more.
Don't like blacks. Yum.
Be careful.
Can I wash mommy with my hands?
Yes.
Wait a minute, guys.
What will you do?
I will wash my hands. It's so dirty. So guys, I'm back. So we are gonna look them. Ooh, so good, guys. So yummy. Mommy, it's look like a chicken. It look like
Ang
that.
hotdog na nga lang lutuin natin. Stress ako dito. Oh, mainit ha. Huwag mong hawakan yung pan, ha?
Guys,
Huwag mong hawakan yung pan, ha?
okay, so guys, we will wait the pan. Wait, you want to make it. So let's